We all make promises. Promises to those around us.
To those we love and cherish. Those we respect. And to ourselves.
We make promises to people we see for just a moment. And ones we'll never meet.
Our bond with one another holds us together. Whether it touches one life or changes the course of nations,
we build each other up, stronger together, focused, resolute.
No matter where we are, united in our purpose.
These promises are responsibility, an unbreakable bond entrusted to one another.
Not just when the winds blow in our favor, but when the waves crash upon us, when the tides turn.
We will not cower from a challenge. Hour after hour, resilient, we face our invisible foe.
Armed and agile, on the front line.
All over the world, we speak a universal language.
Because it is our passion that drives us.
Drives us to try harder, reach further, seek answers where before they were only questions.
We embrace curiosity, thirst for knowledge, hunger for an understanding of things we long thought unknowable.
The deep well, devoid of light.
To which we bring a flame.
A flame that ignites our longing to do more, say more, learn more, be more.
More than we could ever be alone.
To create, discover, adapt, and evolve. Together we set our sights higher, venture further, dare to go where others won't.
Together, we dwarf the mountains that alone rose up before us. And from there, we soar.
That's what a promise means.
Regardless of whether it impacts us all, or just a rare few.
You can trust that we will be there. Every time. Reliable. Delivering wherever we are needed.
Changing the lives of those we love and cherish.
Those we respect.
Of us all.
And the lives that we change give us all a brighter future.
When you need it most.
We are driven
By our promise.
to you.